So welcome to my channel, guys. My channel name is 75 English Speaking Challenge. So today I'm not discussing about the topics. Today I will teach you tenses. So not I teach you. I'm just doing practice for myself. But if it is helpful for you, so you will also watch this video because it's very useful tenses. जो sir taught me कि it's a tricky there's a tricks to learn tenses very easy in very easy format. So I will also teach you about tenses. So guys, listen, first of all, I just want to tell you I'm not an expert. If I'm making any mistakes, so please forgive me. So listen, before I start the class, I just want to say to you guys, in our entire world, there is a three tenses, all and three tenses like present tense, past tense, and future tense, and every tense have a four parts like present simple tense, present perfect tense, present continuous tense, or perfect continuous tense. So today I am talking about present simple, past simple, and future simple. So guys, before I start the class, I just want to tell you one thing, that if when we use simple sentence, so how we make sentence in a simple way. When I try to say कि मैं खाना खाता हूँ, I eat food, वो खाना खाता है, he eats food. जैसे मैं सोता हूँ, I sleep. मैं रोता हूँ, I cry. मैं नहाता हूँ, I take bath. मैं जाता हूँ, I go. So these kind of sentence we use in our simple present tense. But if I'm talking about past tense, so that time we use verb की second form. Like if I'm talking about मैं जयपुर गया, I went to Jaipur. If I am talking about मैं दिल्ली गया, I went to Delhi. मैंने खाना खाया, I eaten food. मैं like if I am talking about I got up early, मैं जल्दी उठा. So these kind of sentences we make in the past, and if I am asking the question in past tense, so like we use only did. Like if I want to ask a question, like how to ask, किसने किया ये, who did this, किसने किया ये, who did this. अगर मैं मान के चलो if I am say क्या मैंने नहीं किया, so that time we use I didn't do this, मैंने नहीं किया. So these kind of sentence we make in a past tense. And if I talking about future tense, so in future tense there's a one way like मैं जाऊँगा. If we pronounce in Hindi, so मैं जाऊँगा, मैं खाऊँगा, मैं पीऊँगा, मैं रहूँगा, मैं सोऊँगा. These kind of sentence, these kind of structure या sentence we listen if someone say मैं कल जयपुर जाऊँगा या मैं कल जयपुर जाऊँगा. So I will go to Jaipur tomorrow. So these kind of sentence we make. So if I say मैं कल स्कूल जाऊँगा, I will go स्कूल टुमारो. मैं खेलूँगा, I will play. मैं नाचूँगा, I will dance. मैं खाना खाऊँगा, I will eat food. So like now listen, I just want to tell you what is the difference between threes. if we talk about simple present tense, so that time we use very simple structure, like we only use like subject plus verb, not subject plus object. जैसे लाइक इफ आई से मैं जाता हूँ आई गो, मैं आता हूँ आई कम, मैं सोता हूँ आई स्लीप, मैं खाता हूँ आई ईट, एंड other and next thing then past tense, if we talking about past tense, so that time we use कि मैं गया, I came, sorry I went, मैं आया, I came, मैं सोया I slept, मैं रोया I cried, so how I taken bath, मैं नहाया, so I took bath, not taken, it's wrong sentence. So I just already told you कि I'm not a professional, I'm not a perfect, I'm just trying to learn things, so that's why I make this video. And if I am talking about the future tense, like I will go, I just already make a lot of sentence in fast, so I don't think कि मुझे we need to make sentence. So listen, now I'm talking about question, like how we make question from does, do, did and will. So when we when we ask any kind of question to in a simple tense, so that time we use a very small thing, like if I ask to someone क्या आप खाना खाते हो, do you eat food, it's our simple sentence, simple present tense sentence. uh, it's a question, like if we make question from does, do does, so that time we use do you eat food. So if he say I don't eat food, if he say I eat food. So if someone person give the answer in a positive way, that time he use I eat food. If he answer negative, so that time we use I don't, he doesn't eats food. So these kind of sentence we make in from do. And other thing, if I say, people are very confused about does, they don't know when we use does. Does we use he, she, it, ये किसी का नाम, ये someone's name, that time we use does. Like if I say he goes to school, but now I make the question, okay, how I make question, so that time we use does he go to school, does he go to school. So and next if he say yes, he is go to school, he goes to school. But if we make he is say in a negative way, he doesn't go to school. See, he doesn't go to school. Doesn't एक कॉन्ट्रैक्शन है does और not का. मैं ये आपको इसलिए हिंदी में बताया बिकॉज इट्स वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू इन हिंदी. इट डजंट मीन कि आई डोंट नो इंग्लिश. I brother, I just learn English, so that's why I'm trying to learn. If I only take 2 or 3 months. After 3 months, I will become a fluent speaker. It's not issue. It's not issue. So next our sentence, next our point is will. How we make question from will. So that time if I say okay, if I say you like कल तुम दिल्ली जाओगे, विल यू गो दिल्ली टुमारो? सो दैट विल यू गो दिल्ली टुमारो, क्या तुम कल तुम क्रिकेट खेलोगे? विल यू प्ले क्रिकेट टुमारो, क्या तुम क्या तुम खाओगे? विल यू ईट, क्या तुम सोओगे? विल यू स्लीप, क्या तुम डांस करोगे? विल यू विल यू विल यू डांस? So these kind of, if a person say in a negative way, so I will not dance, I will not dance, I will not go tomorrow, I will not go tomorrow, I will not go tomorrow Delhi. So these kind of structure, if we make question like I forgot second past tense, sorry for that, like if we make question from how we make questions, how we make sentence from past tense. So there's a two things. If we make a sentence in a positive way, that time we use second form in a past tense, simple past tense. And if I make question, yeah, if I make a negative sentence, that time we use did. Got it? Like I just tell you about if I say I went there, मैं वहाँ गया. Or if I ask the question, did you go there? Did you go there? So that time we don't use second form, because did also a second form of do. So that time we use only go. Did you go there? Did you go there? So he say, yes, I went there. I went there. But there's a problem. Like now he makes question in a negative way. Negative. So he say, I didn't go there. I didn't go there. So these kind of structure, these kind of sentence, and now the most important thing I just tell you, there's three and two things related. Just like if I'm talking about present simple tense, so that time we use करता हूँ, जैसे मैं खाना खाता हूँ, मैं सोता हूँ, मैं पीता हूँ, मैं नाचता हूँ, मैं गाता हूँ, मैं रोता हूँ, मैं ना, मतलब वी आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर हैबिट्स, आवर डेली रूटीन, आवर डेली वर्क्स वी डिड, जो भी हम करते हैं उसके बारे में हम हमारे सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हम बताते हैं. वी ओनली टेल told about things like habits, and these are things. And in a past tense we tell, yeah, we told about our past conditions, like मैं गया, मैं आया, मैं खाया, मैं सोया, मैं पिया. These kind of sentence we make in a past. So that time we use verb की third form. So the next one is will. If we talking about will, so we use will that time when we say कि मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा, मैं आऊँगा, मैं खाऊँगा, मैं पीऊँगा, मैं सोऊँगा, मैं नहाऊँगा, तो that time we use will. And there is no rocket science in a sentence. You learn easily. Like now I tell you the structure of three simple present and past present and future present, simple future tense. So one thing that if we talking about simple present tense, so subject plus object plus subject plus object, या subject की third verb की first form और object. Subject plus verb की first form plus object. This is the structure of present simple tense. And if I'm talking about past tense, so subject plus verb is second form plus verb object. If I'm talking about future tense, so subject plus will plus object. So that's the topic I did. I have completed. I have completed my topic today. So guys, give me the permission. I have to go and continue you continue your study, and I believe you will learn one day your tenses, and I also learn tenses. You pray to God. So thank you for watching this video, and if you not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel because it's give me a confidence to make a lot of videos. So thank you guys.